guys, I'm Emma Ryan, Integrative Nutrition Health Coach and founder and owner of Plant. Today we're going to make a cast iron apple crisp. So if you're getting ready for the holidays or fall season, this is going to be super yummy, super cozy, and great for your holiday table. So to start, I have 6 apples, and I went ahead and did the dicing so you didn't have to watch me do that. If you prefer to slice your apple crisp, you can do thin slices of apple. It's 6 small apples. I used 3 green and 3 red just to get some variety. So we have this in our bowl already. I'm going to go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of arrowroot flour or arrowroot starch, either one. They're almost identical. And then I have a 1/3 cup of coconut sugar. So we're going to add this into my bowl. I have 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. That'll help keep the apples really tart and bright. A teaspoon of vanilla or almond extract. This is vanilla, but almond is a nice flavor too. A teaspoon of cinnamon powder. A 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. And a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. So this is everything we need for our filling. And I'm just going to toss this together. So you can see those apples are really well coated. So once you have your filling, I'm going to go ahead and bring in my cast iron pan, and I'm just going to push or plate these in the bottom of this. If you don't have a cast iron pan, or if you prefer not to use your cast iron, you can totally use a regular baking dish. The cast iron just really helps the flavors. It helps get the apples hot faster, so it cooks a little quicker, and it adds a nice element to the eye too. So now that we have our filling in our cast iron, I'm going to go ahead and set this to the side, and in our mixing bowl we will make our topping. So for the topping, we're going to do 1/2 cup of oat flour, 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/2 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of shaved almonds, 1/2 cup of raw pumpkin seeds, and then 1/2 cup of coconut sugar. And then we have 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder. And last but not least, we have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. Okay, so now that we have all of our filling or our topping ingredients in one bowl, we can just stir this up. The melted coconut oil will really help make everything stick together, and it'll create a really nice texture for our topping. So that is it. And if you guys are allergic to pumpkin seeds or almonds, you could totally swap out the pumpkin seeds for pecans. You could also use all oat flour if you needed to, so you can kind of make this your own. And now I'm going to bring our apple pie back in, our apple crisp. We're going to put the topping in like a thin but even layer all the way across. And then we can kind of spread it out. So it should be just enough to cover up all of your apples. And then we're going to bake this for 1 hour for 60 minutes at 350 degrees. Don't need to cover it. The edges will kind of cook. They'll turn brown, darker brown quicker. But again, let's bake this for 1 hour at 350 degrees, and we'll be back soon. All right, so our apple crisp looks super yummy. It just came out of, we baked it for about an hour, and then I let it cool for a while. So now it's good to go. I'm actually going to serve it with some Plant ice cream too. But I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you share it with your friends and your family. And be sure to subscribe, comment below, and I'll see you next time.